Okay, a lot of patients ask, well, what is a platysmaplasty as opposed to a procedure where you're tightening the neck skin, such as a neck lift? And this is a beautiful example. Only 3.5 weeks post-op, if you look at the before and after pictures, you see a really dramatic enhancement of this area here. The neck was really showing her age, and it was kind of her weak link. We addressed that very thoroughly with the platysmaplasty. So we made an incision underneath here. We lifted up the skin going all the way down to this area. And at the same time, I performed a traceless lower face and neck lift with incisions around her ears. We were then able to clean out any excessive fat in that area and identify the platysma muscle. That's the muscle that can really accentuate the vertical bands here. You can see on side view now is really outstanding. She still has a fair amount of swelling 3.5 weeks out from surgery. It'll continue to diminish for probably 6 months, but I'm elated with this overall appearance here, and I know she is too.